This is weird. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Everything from last year gone. It's 2023. We're gonna be doing a lot more this year. I'm really looking forward to everything going on. Drift schedules are out. Export shows schedules are dropping everywhere, and I'm gonna be everywhere I can be this year. But there's also something special. Did a video months back called Drift Truck Episode 1, and there was never an Episode 2. So today, you guys are going to be getting a full work session on the truck. Now, the truck's been with my dad, so he's been putting in a way more work than me or my uncle have been able to, which sucks, but the progress that's been made is really, really good. So I'm looking forward to see what's all been done, how far we have to go, and I'm looking forward to getting more weekends to come down here and work on getting it done, because we shouldn't be too far off. It just sucks because I haven't really been able to put in a lot of time, and I feel kind of bad, but things happen. So I'm going to make sure the next couple weekends I can get, I'm going to be down here putting this thing back together, getting it ready to go. But I want to introduce you all to Kawo. Hi, buddy. Look. Say hi. Hey, Paul. Good boy. He's coming with us to drift events. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. But other than that, we're about to go over to my uncle's, eat some breakfast, and then we'll be over at the shop, and you guys will see some of what goes on behind the scenes on building something from scratch. So, alright guys, so we made it back over here to the shop. Truck looks really good. Just looking at it, I mean, the fitment is getting there. Gonna get the bash bar done. I might do, like, everyone's been telling me, do a plate, like a plate across this, and then I could also hold it out and put the bash bar around it, but the bash bar's got to come around to here, so that way these are protected in case of any incidences learning. But when we get good with this thing, we gonna be bam. But yeah, the truck looks really good. Got dad's here, Uncle Jeremiah's here.
Because you're in the belts, so I think it's, even if we build a bracket for it to go, you come like that. Yeah, I think it needs to be right there. So.
Alright. Well,
I know.
I had a nut.
Or,
You know what I'm saying? I had a nut. That's why I put it there.
is this seat all the way forward? I don't know, Junior, you have to say and see what your feet length is. Because even if we brought it, because you wouldn't be able to go forward the seat. Because you didn't move that far. But I don't think you're going to be up that close.
Ryan Little.
we're gonna have to. This has got to be notched out for it to here.
Yeah.
So the booty can't go that way no further. All right, so now. Let's just tight. When you get in here, don't push on these pedals.
Yeah.
There's no foot. Just take your foot and push down like your gas pedal ain't hooked up. So first, second, you're gonna get to cut that third. Going in third. Hold this tight. Okay, that's gonna be too close. Fourth. So we got plenty of room. All right. Sit up. You over here and set it one time. I think you're gonna like that.
Alright guys, just a little update for you all. Earlier when we got here, me and my uncle started trying to figure out where to put the handbrake. Trying to figure out, you know, so that way it's not too far away, not hitting anything. So we found a really good angle, so we started to, got that mapped out. But then we started doing brakes, so we've been putting lines on brakes, getting brake lines set, getting calipers mounted, getting all of that. We did a little transmission mount work for our slave cylinder for the clutch. We got that mount made. We've been doing a lot of work and we're getting a lot of stuff done. So we're just gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna show you guys some updates and show you what's been going on. Which one did you start with?
The one upper.
What angle are you at?
It doesn't matter. It's good bite, good cut. You're good.
I'm sliding.
It's alright. You're good. Keep going.
Well, no, I'm just saying it's just sliding.
It's not sliding. You're good.
It was sliding.
You got a dimple.
Start going that way.
It's good. Push. Push, Junior. Push up, not down.
It's literally just going.
It doesn't matter. Punch a hole in it.
I'm trying.
Not now.
I know, try it again.
So you just dimple in the center of it. Hit it. Go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right.
Good God.
Oh, right through the seat.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, now you get a tough one. Let's do these ones. Okay. So I can box it. And I don't want it.
Which one you going for?
I think it's this one.
That's regular brakes.
These go to the back, so it's regular.
That's regular brakes.
So we have brake line going in there, up in here, and out over there somewhere. I'll leave them there for you, so that way you can clean up after them.
At least you didn't lay it in the dirt and step on it and drag it in.
Well, I found 2 or 3 like that around the town.
So the 2 holes that I drilled, they were for the brake lines, because we got one going to the proportioning valve and one going right to the hydro. We've been running brake lines pretty much most of the day. We've done a few other things in and out, but yeah, that one hole was ridiculous. I didn't think it was they had to punch it out a little bit more, get it more dimple, so that way the drill bit would actually go in and start drilling, because it, as you saw, it just kept sliding. But so we got that done, and now we're just gonna try and get them all on the inside and get them all done.
We do it back towards the back, as far as it goes. Back towards the bell housing.
Stop.
I think I can get to the masses on it from here.
I think so. Up over the cab. You ever thought what a car would look like if they drove it inside out?
Alright, so does that look like a big donut? Is it too loose? As you saw back there, they were putting the heat shield blanket on the starter, so that way it doesn't get super duper hot, being as close to the exhaust as it is. So it seems like a good idea. I did not even know that was a thing, but cool. I feel like we're VDOT right now, just standing around watching one guy do some work. VDOT, if you need extra people, we can work part-time doing this.
How many people you just pissed off?
Junior, there's a little black cap out there on that table.
Do you need it on this side or the other side?
This is the little one right
Here, you want to screw monkey over here? Got it?
Mmm.
Come down if you need to. Where's Joy?
He's over here screwing them up.
I need a drill bit to fit me that.
So right now we've got the holes running brake line to that way and some this way, because we got the proportioning valve.
Proportioning valve. See, you turn it.
Yeah, you just take the device and turn it, not the handle. No, we're looking for a drill bit currently.
Which, you know what drill it is?
So the proportioning valve is going to go down in here, nice and simple, easy access. Makes it convenient on the line because we're not sure how much we have or how much we'll need. So, and then where you got the plate for the handbrake being created. So we pretty much started up top, went underneath, and now we're back up top. So and this is our proportioning valve from Speedway. So Dad just said they asked for a bunch of reviews on stuff, like they haven't they haven't even put on the truck yet. So I guess this will be a start review. We'll be doing a review for this for Speedway and let them know how it works. I like the color. I do like the color. Alright guys, we were trying to figure out where we wanted the handbrake, and with the boot, we're gonna keep the boot and we're gonna make a platform that comes up here about 5-6 inches, and then a mount back here, and it's gonna set about right here, and it's gonna be a really nice height to where it's not super tall, it's not super low, it's not out of reach, you know, it's right here where it really nice and just works really, really well. So we're gonna bust that out and then see where we're at. We also have to notch this because 2nd and 4th are hitting here, and it's not good. So we're gonna notch this back a little bit and call that, and then we're gonna move on to something else. So let's do it. Alright guys, so the handbrake is essentially done. We just haven't bled the system yet. We gotta readjust the shift boot. So it was here, it's gonna come back a little bit. It's having a fitment issue. There's like a little bit of a metal plate in here, and when you go to second and fourth, it's like hitting this. So we're gonna have to patch this, move the shift boot back and cut it out a little bit more, so that way that works. And then this is good, and then bleed the lines, and then everything kind of on the inside is a lot better. So, and then Max will just be getting the dash done, getting some gauges in, and we should be very close to having her done. So awesome day.